Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Hina Javed. Dear students, we are discussing unit number 3, types of living things, plants. In the previous video, we have discussed about different parts of plants. Today, we will discuss the topic, the plant group. We will discuss plants that can grow in shady places, the plants that can grow in dry places, the plants that can be grown in hot places. And we will also discuss about green plants. Reading. Now students, first we read this topic from book. The plant group. Thousands of plants live on earth. Plants grow in different kinds of places. Plants grow in different kinds of places. Some plants, like ferns, grow in wet, shady places. Some plants, like ferns, grow in wet, shady places. Some plants, like cacti, grow in hot, dry places. Some plants, like cacti, grow in hot, dry places. Most plants grow in sunlight, like the sunflower. Most plants grow in sunlight, like the sunflower. Most plants are green. Green plants can make their own food. They need air and water to make their food. They also need a green substance called chlorophyll. Without chlorophyll, they cannot make food. Green plants have chlorophyll in their leaves. The food is made in the leaves. Plants need air, water, and chlorophyll to make their own food. Now, students, we will discuss about the plant group. Here you can see different types of plants. You know, dear students, thousands of plants live on earth. It means there are so many plants on earth, different types of plants on earth. Plants grow in different kinds of places. It means thousands of plants live on earth. There are different types of plants on earth and they can grow on different places, not on same places. Plants grow in different kinds of places. Now we will discuss about wet and shady places. We will discuss about those plants that can grow in wet and shady places. Here are some images that can grow in wet and shady places. Some plants grow in wet and shady places like ferns. These types of plants can grow very easily wet and shady places. These types of plants cannot grow in dry and hot places. Some plants grow in wet and shady places like ferns. Let's start dry places. In this slides, we will discuss about those plants that can grow in dry places. Here you can see different types of plants that can grow in dry places. Some plants grow in hot and dry places like cactus. Here are different types of plants that can grow in hot and dry places like in desert. So some plants grow in hot and dry places like cactus. Now we will discuss hot places. Plants that can grow in hot places. You can see here many plants that can grow in hot places. Most plants grow in sunlight like sunflower. Most plants grow in sunlight like the sunflower. These types of plants can grow in the presence of sunlight. These types of plant cannot grow in shady places, cannot grow in cold places. They can grow in sunlight, in the presence of sunlight, just like sunflower. Let's start green plants. Most plants are green. Green plants can make their own food. They need air and water to make their food. They also need a green substance called chlorophyll. Without chlorophyll, they cannot make their own food. Green plants have chlorophyll in their leaves. You can see in this picture, chlorophyll is present in leaves. Leaves is the green part of a plant. To make its food, the plant needs chlorophyll. Green plants, mostly plants are green. Green plants can make their own food. They can make their own food very easily. For making their food, they need air and water. To make their food, they also need a green chemical that is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in leaves. Without chlorophyll, cannot make their food. Green plants have chlorophyll in their leaves. Chlorophyll is green color chemical that is present in leaves. With the help of chlorophyll, plant absorb water from the soil, take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and with the help of sunlight, plant can make their food. Green plants can make their food. Let's start trivia time. There is little bit information about plants. The scientific study of plant known as botany. The scientific study of plants known as botany. Plants convert carbon dioxide, water, and minerals into food when they use energy from sunlight, and this process is known as photosynthesis. You know, students, plants convert carbon dioxide and water and minerals into food when they use energy from sunlight, and this process is known as photosynthesis. A green substance in plant called chlorophyll traps the energy from sun needed to make food. Chlorophyll is mostly found in the leaves. It is just green color chemical that is found in leaves. This green color chemical that is called chlorophyll helps the plant to make their food. Okay students, hope you learned well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.